Logical depth is a measure of complexity devised by Charles H. Bennett based on the computational complexity of an algorithm that can recreate a given piece of information. It differs from Kolmogorov complexity in that it considers the computation time of the algorithm with the shortest length rather than its length. See also: effective complexity, self-dissimilarity, forecasting complexity, sophistication, complexity theory. References: Bennett, Charles H., 1988, Logical Depth and Physical Complexity, in Herkin, Rolf, The Universal Turing Machine, A Half-Century Survey, Oxford U. Press, pages 227-257, cite Xerox 10.1.1.70.4331. Craig, Edward, 1998, Computability and Information, Section 6, Logical Depth, Routledge Encyclopedia of Philosophy, Vol. 10, Index, Taylor and Francis, page 481, ISBN 9780415073103.